So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bharat Mobility. We are in Case Construction Stall, and you can see behind me we have displayed CX220 heavy duty LC crawler machine. You can find here this machine is fitted with a CB230 rock breaker. This particular machine is very different from other 22-ton-and-a-half class of machine. You can find this machine is fitted with a proven Fiat engine developing 157 HP, and this machine has a special technology. It has high torque and low RPM, and this machine really gives high fuel efficiency. This fuel efficiency not only comes from the engine technology, but we have a Case intelligent hydraulic system with 5 saving modes, which helps this machine to produce more at a very low fuel consumption, whether it is a blue metal quarry area or a marble and granite dimensional stone quarry, a road construction work, or a steel plant or a limestone quarry. This machine you can find here, this is a long crawler, 4.5 meter robotic welded structure, which provides the durability. You can work in any heavier strata, you can work in any mines for a long duration, 14-15 hours in a day. This machine, since you have to work in 3 shifts, the operator environment is very necessary. It has to be safe and comfort. You can see this, the operator gets that environment. He can sit for 8 hours, 10 hours continuously and give 100% efficiency. This gives 11 seat adjustment that gives the comfort to the operator, with 8 AC vents and feather touch joystick levers, and he can operate. He will not feel that body pain which is normally there in any excavator. So from a safety point of view, you can find here this has enough mirrors to prevent any accident. We have also given a rear view camera. This also prevents while working in a mining site where there are a lot of trucks roaming around within the excavator boundary range. So that gives a additional kind of safety range for the operators, how to operate efficiently and taking care of the safety.